The skies are no longer just a battleground, but the center stage of technological supremacy and military strategy. In the midst of intensifying global competition, China introduced the J-50, a revolutionary jet fighter poised to change the landscape of modern air warfare. With its futuristic design and cutting-edge stealth technology, the J-50 is not just a fighter, but a representation of grand ambitions in space domination. Air defense technology has evolved rapidly in recent decades, pushing countries to create increasingly sophisticated weapon systems. In this dynamic, the J-50 comes as a symbol of the progress of China's aviation industry, showing that the country is not only able to catch up, but is also poised to become a leader in military aviation technology. The J-50 features a twin-engine configuration that ensures a perfect balance between speed and cruising power. With a length of up to 22 meters and a wingspan optimized for aerodynamic stability, the aircraft is capable of breaking the Mach to speed limit without compromising fuel efficiency or maneuverability. The fuselage structure uses advanced composite materials that not only reduce weight, but also enhance stealth capabilities. With a minimized radar footprint and high durability, the J-50 can operate in a wide range of extreme conditions, giving it an edge across multiple battlefields. In addition, the aircraft is designed with a lambda-shaped wing design, which improves aerodynamic efficiency and reduces air resistance. This wing structure also allows the J-50 to perform sharp maneuvers with more agility compared to previous generation fighters. The combination of aerodynamic design, composite materials, and computerized control system makes the J-50 one of the most responsive fighter jets in its class. In terms of operational range, the J-50's combat radius reaches 2,200 kilometers, enabling strategic mobility without the need for frequent aerial refueling. With a significant weapons payload capacity, the aircraft is ready for a variety of combat scenarios, both in the role of air superiority and precision strikes against land and sea targets. The J-50 is designed to carry the most advanced armament in its class. The PLACE-17 air-to-air missile is one of its primary weapons, giving it an edge in long-range combat with a range of up to 500 kilometers. In addition, the ability to carry wide J-12 anti-ship missiles adds to its flexibility in dealing with maritime threats. The J-50's internal space allows for the integration of modular armaments, including the PL-15 missile developed as a counterpoint to the United States AIM-1 TOW missile. With this technology, the J-50 is capable of precision strikes with a high degree of effectiveness. It is possible that the aircraft will also be equipped with energy-based weapon systems in the future, such as laser weapons or hypersonic missiles capable of destroying targets at incredible speeds. In addition to air-to-air and anti-ship missiles, the J-50 also has the capacity to carry laser-guided smart bombs, ground attack cruise missiles, and electronic weapon systems capable of disrupting enemy radar and communications. With this flexibility, the J-50 can act as a multi-role fighter capable of carrying out a variety of missions ranging from dogfights to strategic strikes against enemy infrastructure. The J-50's advantages lie not only in its armament, but also in its stealth and electronic warfare capabilities. With an aerodynamic design that reduces radar detection and the use of special materials that absorb radar waves, the aircraft has a much lower detection rate than previous generation fighter jets. China is also investing in the development of advanced electronic warfare systems that are believed to have been integrated into the J-50. Features such as radar jamming, guided missile protection, and communication jamming systems make the aircraft a strategic weapon in modern electronic warfare. Speculation also points to the possibility of the J-50 operating alongside autonomous combat drones in a loyal wingman concept. With the combination of artificial intelligence and real-time data communication, the aircraft is able to adapt to various combat situations with greater efficiency. This capability will enhance the J-50's effectiveness in reconnaissance, escort, and coordinated attack missions. The J-50 is not just a technological achievement, but also a military strategy that changes the dynamics of air power. The United States and its allies now face new challenges in maintaining their dominance in the skies. The Pentagon has also warned that China's military modernization is accelerating the imbalance of power in the Indo-Pacific region. The possibility of exporting the J-50 to China's friendly countries is also a factor to take into account. If this aircraft enters the global market, Western dominance in the air defense industry could be shaken. Moreover, the presence of the J-50 in strategic areas, such as the South China Sea and Taiwan border, will increase geopolitical pressure and trigger a shift in defense strategies of neighboring countries. With tensions rising in the Asia-Pacific region, the presence of the J-50 could force other countries to increase defense budgets and accelerate development programs for next-generation fighter jets. This marks a new chapter in an increasingly complex and competitive air arms race. The J-50 is not just an innovation, but a statement that China is ready to compete on the stage of global air supremacy. With a combination of advanced design, lethal weaponry, and cutting-edge stealth technology, this fighter jet is taking the world to a new chapter in air warfare. Now, the question is no longer whether the J-50 will affect the global balance of power, but to what extent it will change the paradigm of air combat. Will the J-50 be the true master of the skies, or just part of an ever-evolving technology race? Time will tell. However, one thing is certain: a new era of air warfare has begun, and the J-50 is its pioneer.